Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. If you're ready to say goodbye to Instagram, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, choose Account Center. Find Personal Details and click on it. Then, choose Accounts Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, select the Instagram account you want to delete. Choose the last option, Delete Account, and click on Continue. Instagram will ask you why you're deleting your account. Choose an option that best fits your situation. Enter your Instagram account password. Confirm once again that you want to delete your account. Instagram takes up to 30 days to complete the deletion process. If you found this video is helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.